how to delete Facebook activity log all at once. If you're looking for a simple way to delete your entire Facebook activity log or clear all your activity history at once, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to do that in just a few easy steps. First, open your Facebook and make sure you're logged into the account you want to clear the activity from. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your settings and go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to find Activity Log. Now, under it, find your all the activities. Now, whatever you want to delete, click on it and simply choose it and click on Trash button over here. Likewise, go to Trash and click on Select All and click on Trash button and click on Yes. You may need to enter your password for some security reasons to complete this step. Simply write your password, click on Continue, and it will clear all the activities of your Facebook account. And that's it. Now you've successfully deleted your Facebook activity log in few simple steps.